everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hi guys, happy Friday everybody, happy Friday. I hope your week was a good one. As you can tell, we are outside. It is a beautiful, beautiful day here in Southern Ontario. So, you know, I'm going to just tell you. I was racking my brain all day this morning thinking, what kind of video can I make to motivate my peeps today? What can I do? I cleaned the kitchen this morning because I left the dishes from last night. And then I was cleaning and I was thinking, and I'm thinking, well, Easter's done. All the seasonal decor is done. I don't want to start opening bins of nautical decor because what's the point? We're moving. So I was thinking and thinking and thinking and thinking. And then I made another coffee and I came outside and I looked at the porch. Yuck, yuck. So I thought, let's spruce up the porch a little bit. I'm going to go grab some wreaths, like a planter or something, my welcome sign. I'm going to bring it back. I'm going to sweep up. So, you ready? Let's do a little decorating. Okay, sweet peeps, let's get to cleaning. This is so satisfying for me. I mean, maybe you're like me, but after a long winter, when you finally clean your windows from the inside and the outside, and you see the kind of guck that accumulates on them, this is so satisfying. And I'm telling you, I love this. This is like spring refresh for me, especially after this long winter. My goodness, we really had a hard winter this year. But that's okay. It is over. Look at this, guys. I still have my Christmas mat out. Ugh, this has got to go. I'm just going to throw it out. And I started cleaning. I cannot believe the amount of dirt and debris. I mean, I really should have taken out the power hose and really scrubbed this porch down. But I thought, you know what? I'm just going to make it as cute as possible, clean it up as best as I can. I'm not going to spend too much time on it because I have like a million things to do. My goodness, guys, packing up my entire house is something else. And this is Angela filming me. She was such a great helper this morning, guys. She's so sweet. She's doing virtual school again. 100% virtual school because they locked this down again for the virus. So what can you do? We're in full lockdown again. So we're just making the best of it, trying to keep motivated, trying to keep positive, and, make things as beautiful as we can and enjoy whatever we can. And really, that's what life's about, enjoying the little things. I mean, tomorrow is not promised, so might as well take advantage of what we have. I love these ferns, guys. I recreated them last year. They were just single stems from the dollar store, and I put them in these little pots that I bought from Target. And here you're going to see my wreaths. I had these up last year also. I love them. They're so pretty. I made them last year. I think I did them on video. I'm not sure. But I just think they're so cute with the little polka dot ribbon and the sunflowers. Just bring some cheer to the front porch. And we all could use a little cheer in our lives. I'm telling you, we all need some cheer. Okay, now that I got those hung up, I brought out this planter. And guys, I just went to the basement and I found whatever I had left in that stash. And I'm really trying to weed through all my faux florals. My goodness, I have collected so many. And most of them still have tags on. I don't know why I bought so many. And here you see me struggling with the tag, and I'm laughing at myself, and Angela's laughing at me, and I'm like, oh my God. Anyways, I finally got the tag off. Guys, Dollar Tree. I'm telling you, if you want to just bring in a little color before the plants actually start to bloom, because here in Southern Ontario, nothing is going to bloom for at least another month. At least another month. But I thought, no, it needs some color. And I like the yellow, the forsythia branches. They're cute. I'm pretty sure these are from Dollar Tree also. And I just kind of, placed them here and there. There's no rhyme or reason to this, guys. Honestly, I just wanted color and to hide that plug at the corner of the porch. Like, who would put a plug that high up? Honestly, this builder is something special. Let me just say. But that's okay. I don't know. How do you guys feel about those pink hanging things? Do you think they match? Or should I take them out? Because, I don't know, when I stood back and looked at them, I was like, I kind of like them. I kind of don't. But, I don't know. Maybe I'll just take them out. Maybe I'll just leave it. Honestly, guys, I am stumped. I have so many things to do. Packing up an entire house for a cross-country move is really a daunting task. And I'm telling you, going through my stuff and selling and purging and throwing away and all that is just a lot of work. I didn't think it was going to be this much work. So I finally got the chairs. Guys, I had these chairs. I spray painted them and I added new cushions, I think 2 years ago. And they're fine. They're fine for now. I'll buy new patio furniture when I land at my home. Who knows when that'll be. I'm trying to find a house. I'm having really awful luck trying to find what I want. Even if it's temporary, there's really the market is limited. My goodness. But we'll see. I'll come around to something. I'll find something, I'm sure. And I just put this little lantern. Do you like the lantern? I'll show it to you more in depth on another video, but I love it. It's coming to the shop. Okay, secret's out. It's coming to the shop. So there you go. Here's the final look. I think it looks really, really cute together. I mean, it's clean, it's tidy, it's very, very colorful, and it says welcome. So that's what I wanted to achieve, and I think that's what I achieved. My sweet peeps, that is the end of the video. Grab yourself a cup of coffee and sit back and enjoy your little porch refresh or your balcony refresh or your little outdoor space refresh, because really it doesn't take a lot of money. I mean, I didn't spend a dime. The wreaths I had from last year, the welcome sign I had, my little ferns. Guys, these little ferns are plastic ferns, individual pieces that I made last year in those concrete planters. Did I make those last year? Yes, I did. So they were outside all summer last year, and I brought them back out this year. I think I'm going to leave the chairs for the people and maybe the welcome sign, the new owners here. So we'll see. And then the mat I had. So there you go. It didn't take much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you some motivation to go clean out your front space or your back space or any space and enjoy it, because that is what life is about, enjoying the simple things in life. Anyways, I hope you guys all have a fantastic weekend. I will see you all on Monday, and you got a sneak peek of something. So happy decorating, and I'll see you on Monday. Have a fantastic weekend, guys. Do something you love. Remember, declare what you want to come into your life, and throw all that negativity out. Have a blessed and beautiful weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Mwah. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody.